In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Zoom. If you're looking to use Zoom in a different language, or simply want to adjust your settings, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and make the switch a breeze. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your Zoom account. If you haven't already logged in, you'll see an option at the top right corner of the page prompting you to sign in. Enter your credentials and you'll be inside your Zoom dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen again. You'll find your profile icon there. This little icon usually looks like a circle with either your initials or a generic profile image. Click on it and it will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu acts as a shortcut to various settings and options related to your account. Within this drop-down, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to the settings page where you can fine-tune your Zoom experience to fit your needs. Once you're on this page, you'll want to look for the sidebar that appears on the left side of the screen. In this sidebar, locate and select Profile. Clicking here will bring up a range of options related to your personal account information. Next, scroll through your profile until you reach the section labelled Personal Information. Under this section, locate the option that says Language. You should see an Edit button next to it, so go ahead and click Edit. This action will allow you to choose from the multiple languages Zoom supports, providing a tailored experience in a language you're more comfortable with. Once you click Edit, a list of available languages will appear. Take a moment to go through the list and find your desired language. Simply click on your chosen language to select it. This list includes a variety of languages, catering to many different users worldwide, so you'll likely find the one you're looking for. After you've made your selection, the final step is to click on Save. This action is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are applied and your new settings are remembered by your account. Wait for the confirmation message to ensure your settings have been updated successfully. And just like that, you've successfully changed the language on your Zoom account. Now, whenever you use Zoom, the interface will be displayed in the language you've selected, making your online meetings and interactions even more seamless and personalized. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.